What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making some fall off the bone beef ribs. You guys seen me do this many times. We're going to keep this video short. Beef ribs are so doggone good, guys. You've got to try it. Slow, low and slow is the way you got to go. Here we go. All right, so I've done a whole lot of this already, guys. I started off by getting these ribs, and these ribs already had the membrane removed from them, so I didn't have to remove that membrane on the back side of them. I've got them soaking in some of this Tony Chachere's marinade. Can't talk today. You've got to try some of the Tony Chachere's marinade. It is very good. You know, I use it a lot. I'm not getting paid by Tony Chachere's to use it. His stuff just tastes good. So we've got, these things have been marinating for about 18 hours or so. And what we're going to do is we're going to take them out of here, put them on some foil, and then pop them in the oven. We're going to put some mustard powder on them. And this doesn't have a lot of salt in there, so we're going to put some White Magic up there, which has some spices and salt and things like that in it. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll get these things foiled up. All right, guys, now I start off with a really long piece of aluminum foil. This thing is about 3 feet long right here. You probably can't see it on the video. And we're just going to take this out. And you want to keep all of the marinade in there if you can. We're going to take this out right here. And again, this is going to taste so good, y'all. We're going to put this bag over to the side here. Oh, did I move anything? Let me wipe my hands off a little bit. And we're going to take some mustard powder, which I have not opened it yet. Hold on a second. All right, now there we go. We're going to take some of the mustard powder here and just going to sprinkle that mustard powder all on the top of this. Now, if you got some regular mustard, you can do it that way as well too. I just wanted to use the powder, y'all. Sprinkle it real good. Go liberally with that, or go liberally. Put as much as you want to up there. This is just going to enhance the flavor, y'all. Same thing with this right here. Now, you don't want to over salt it though. Just go and sprinkle some of it all on top of it like this. We're going to give this a little flip and do the same thing. Let me get some of the stuff off my hands here. Same thing. Put that mustard up there. Just incorporate that in there real good. And again, whatever spices you guys like on your ribs, feel free to use them. Everybody makes their ribs differently, But these are going to be good. We're going to slow cook. Make sure you've got your oven or your your smoker set at about 225, 250. Flip that back. Now we're going to take, let me get something to wipe my hands off here. And keep that in the middle, y'all. You'll see why I kept that thing long. We're going to take some of this foil, some of this marinade, and just go all the way around it with this. If some of it gets on top, that's okay. And this is going to provide your moisture and help with the slow cooking. Again, just pour all that in there. We're going to do the other one the exact same way here. So now you're going to take this right here. Try not to let any of it spill out if you can help it. Go that way there, fold it, and with this side right here. Now, none of it should have spilled out. Grab those edges here, fold them up like this right here. Ooh. Do the same thing over here. You got you a tight seal now, and that's what you want, guys. And you want this seal to stay at the top, because if you turn this over, all the stuff's going to come out of this foil. So again, that one's ready. I can feel the fluid at the bottom of it. It's nice and ready. We're going to get our next one ready, and then we're going to pop these things in the oven. Alrighty, so now we've got those ready. We're going to pop these things, and see, this is why you don't turn them upside down, y'all. Excuse me. This is why you don't turn them upside down, because all the goodness will spill out of them. We're going to go in the oven for about 4 hours at 225, 4 to 5 hours, guys. It's about 2:03 right now, so these things should be ready right about dinner time, which is about 6 o'clock. Alrighty, so it's been about 4 hours and 15 minutes or so. So we're going to check these things to see how they're doing. I actually increased the temperature a little bit, y'all, to about 230 instead of 225. And we're gonna see what they look like. Try not to make a mess here. Oh yeah, they are nice and done. You see I'm separating, how they're separating from the bone. They're cooked all through and through. We're gonna let these rest for a little bit. These are gonna be some good ribs, y'all. Let me see what the bone feels. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how the bone moves. I could probably pull these bones out, y'all. Yes, this is what I wanted. So again, the other one I'm sure is the exact same way. So we're gonna let this come to a rest, and we will have us some ribs in just a little bit. Give it about 10 minutes or so. All right, y'all, there you go. That's what the ribs look like. They are nice and tender. We're gonna cut into them in just a second and see what the inside looks like. Oh, look at that, y'all. That is, I can tell you, that is fall off the bone. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make it like I did, guys, and it'll fall off the bone every time. Low and slow is the way to cook it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, hit the little notification bell so you can see more of my videos. Comment on the video, guys. Let me know what you think. And you guys have a great day. Peace.